Hey guys, it's Paul here. Now I found this amazing HP printer unboxing video on the new Envy Pro 6400 series, and it was a pretty good video, but it was an instructional technical video, so the audio was a little bit boring. So I reached out to the guys at HP and, well, I'm stealing their content and putting my voice over the top of it. So I wanted to show you how to unbox the brand new Envy Pro 6400. So first of all, and look at this guy's shirt, isn't it just nice? I wonder if it's new for today. It does look like he's washed it a few times. Anyway, so he's taking the box open. There's some little convenient plastic handles to open this up. Take the foam off the side and remove the plastic bag. You're then presented with about 863 pieces of tape. So proceed to remove those one by one, inevitably forgetting a couple, but most likely you will get all of those off without too much drama. Don't forget the little bit of foam in with the scanning glass there too. So once you've opened up the printer, it's time to plug it in. So it's just one cable, no big power adapter here. You notice the printer fires up. Boom, RGB lighting, guys. How good's this? It flashes blue and purple. Now this color is representative of its current state. So get out your smart device and head over to 123.hp.com. Any device, Android or iOS, this is the site you go to. This will then give you the app for your device and the platform your device is on. This is the HP Smart app. It's the best place to start. So open the HP Smart app, hit continue, and just let it send notifications, live on the edge. Do you want to share some data? You share data with everyone, just share it with HP as well, hit yes. So this brings up your Smart app. Now, basically, it's already found the printer because the printer has broadcast its own wireless direct network and it knows that you want to set one up. So just follow the prompts and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. This is stopping you then sitting on the printer and doing it all from there. You can do it all from your device. So now what you'll find is that the printer will actually flash purple and you have the I button illuminated. When you push that, it then initiates connection to your Wi-Fi. The purple changes to blue and boom, you're connected. Now this is your option to sign up for Instant Ink. Not yet available in Australia, not yet. Watch this space. So make sure you sign up for an HP account and then it's time to load some paper. This is where this product's super different. Check out the yellow lights indicating where to put the paper in. So you open this little mouth up, spread that paper holder, and here it's time to feed it some paper. Num, 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 num. So in goes the paper, drop that those tabs closed, push that forward, boom, you just loaded some A4 paper. Now it's time to follow the prompts. Tells you your paper's loaded, just hit continue. Now it's time to install ink. Here's where those lights come back. It shows you where to open. How simple is this? So those yellow lights illuminate that top section, which you just pulled towards you if you're standing from behind. Now it's time to put the cartridges in. Just take off this little bit of tape that exposes the pen body and the cartridge components, including the authentication chip on those starter cartridges. Flip open this little tab. Make sure to not touch those metal little components there. You don't want to get the oils from your hands over them. And then of course close that lid. Now when you look on your app, it'll say the ink is installed, hit continue, and now it's time to do an alignment page. So hit continue again and your alignment page will print out. And you'll notice that LED will reflect your current state of printing. So pop that alignment page into the flatbed scanner and this helps align those print heads for best print quality. Since you just follow the prompts, you can tap that illuminated flashing button. It's all contextual UI now, which I really love. So the alignment completes pretty quickly, a little bit slower than what we've just seen on the screen here, but sped up for your enjoyment. And of course, choose Instant Ink or maybe don't if it's available in your place. Watch this space soon, guys, and then hit continue. That's basically it. You can set this up on other devices, but well, we've already done that, so we're just going to go skip this step. It then gives you a little welcome page, which you can print, but I'm going to skip this now and just go all done. And that's it. You've just set up your brand new Envy Pro 6400 series. Thanks HP for letting me use their video. My name was Paul. That was the Envy Pro, and we'll see you next time.